Hello! In this video, we will learn about proofreading to improve your writing. Proofreading means checking the spelling, grammar, and punctuation in your writing. Let's start with a review of spelling. Read aloud carefully, looking for words that are misspelled. Combustion doesn't look spelled correctly. Circle the word and write the letters SP next to the circle. This reminds you to go back later and fix the spelling. After checking the whole text for spelling, look for grammar errors, such as wrong verb tense or a capitalization error. There is an error in the last sentence. The first word in a sentence should start with a capital letter. Use this editor's mark to show that the T should be capitalized. Read this text. Glaciers are melting, become smaller. The word become should be becoming. Use the caret symbol to insert becoming. There is another grammar error. Make is not the right verb form here. Use the caret symbol to insert the letter S after make. Look at this sentence to see if there are any errors in punctuation. This sentence is a statement. It should end with a period. Mark where the period should go, like this. Read this sentence. From 2002 to 2012, the amount of forest lost on Earth could cover 2 times the area of Texas. Did you notice a pause? We need to add a comma after the prepositional phrase from 2002 to 2012. Now you know how to proofread your writing. See you next time.